What's up everybody, it's VJK and welcome back to the channel. Listen, we all want to get ahead financially, and one of the best ways to do that is finding ways to earn more money. But so many side hustles and income streams require you to invest money up front to get started. Well, not today. Today we're diving into 7 proven ways you can earn money online without investing a single dollar. That's right, these methods are completely free to start, so you can dip your toes in, see what works for you, and start building multiple streams of income. Let's get started. Freelancing is one of the most accessible ways to make money online, and it doesn't require any startup capital. Think about it. What skills do you have that other people or businesses need? Are you a great writer? Maybe you're a graphic design whiz or a coding guru? There are tons of websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer where you can create a profile for free and start finding clients who are looking for your unique skill set. The best part is, you can set your own rates and work as much or as little as you want. It's all about finding what works best for you and building a client base. Now, starting a blog might sound intimidating, but trust me, it's easier than you think. You can start a free blog on platforms like Blogger or WordPress.com and get writing on topics you're passionate about. Once you've got some content and an audience, you can monetize your blog through advertising, affiliate marketing, or even selling your products or services. The key here is consistency and valuable content. The more you write and promote your blog, the more traffic you'll get, and the more opportunities you'll have to earn. Okay, so online surveys won't make you rich, but they're a super easy way to earn a little extra cash in your free time. There are tons of legit survey sites out there like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research that will pay you for sharing your opinion. Just sign up for a few different sites, fill out your profile, and start taking surveys. You can usually cash out your earnings through PayPal or gift cards. Chapter 4. Dropshipping is like the magic trick of the online business world. You sell products online without ever actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify. List products from a dropshipping supplier, and when someone orders from your store, the supplier ships the product directly to the customer. You never have to touch any inventory, and you only pay for the product after you've made a sale. Pretty cool, right? Chapter 5. YouTube. Turn your personality into profits. If you're comfortable being on camera and you love creating content, YouTube could be your ticket to online income. Pick a niche that interests you, whether it's gaming, cooking, finance, or anything in between, and start creating high-quality, engaging videos. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start monetizing your videos with ads. Chapter 6. Virtual Assistant. Be the brains behind the business. Are you super organized and detail-oriented? Do you enjoy managing tasks and helping others? If so, becoming a virtual assistant could be a great fit for you. Businesses of all sizes are constantly looking for virtual assistants to help with tasks like email management, social media scheduling, customer service, and more. You can find virtual assistant jobs on sites like Upwork, Indeed, and even Facebook groups. Chapter 7. Digital Products. Create once, sell forever. Selling digital products is the ultimate way to create passive income online. Think about it. You create the product once, and you can sell it over and over again without any additional work. This could be anything from ebooks and online courses to printables, templates, and stock photos. Platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, and Teachable make it incredibly easy to sell your digital products and start generating revenue. Outro. Start earning today. There you have it. 7 ways to start earning money online without any investment. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.